Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discussing about elements, compounds and mixtures elements. So we will discussing first of all about elements. An element is a pure substance which cannot be split up into other simpler substances by any ordinary physical or chemical process. For example, gold is an element and it can never be converted into any other simpler substance by an ordinary physical or chemical reaction. The fundamental unit of an element is the atom. Scientists have discovered approximately 118 elements, out of which 92 are naturally occurring elements, while the rest have been artificially prepared in the laboratory. Elements are made up of particles. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Each element consists of only one kind of atoms. Atoms of a particular element are same to each other, but different from the atoms of other elements. Now, symbols of elements. That how we will discuss about and how we will understand these elements. So, in 1814, Berzelius suggests the system for representing elements with symbols. The shortest name of an element is called symbol. Please note this point. The shortest name of an element is called symbol. So in most cases, the first letter of the name of an element is taken in capital letter is the symbol. In some cases where the first letter has already been used, then the initial letters can in capital together with a small any of other letter from its name are used. A list of names and symbols of some important elements is given in the table 1.1. So this is the table 1.1. These are the name of elements and these are the symbols. For example, boron, so its symbol is B. Carbon, so its symbol is C. Fluorine, its symbol is F. Hydrogen, H. Oxygen, O. Nitrogen, N. Sulfur, S. Aluminium, Ai. Calcium, Ca. Magnesium, Mg. So these are the symbols. These are the examples as we have showed. Now, some element symbols start with their Latin or Greek language name. A list of names and symbols are given in table 1.2. So, the elements whose name and symbol begin with different letters. For example, name of element antimony. So its Greek word, our Latin word is strontium. So its symbol is Sb. Copper, so it's copperum. So its symbol is Cu. Gold, so its symbol is Au. Iron, Fe. Lead, Pb. Mercury, Hg. Potassium, K. Silver, Ag. Sodium, Na. Tin, Sn. Tungsten, W. So this way as we have showed, this is the example. Then after we will discussing about the compounds. So compound is a pure substance consists of two or more different types of elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. In the formation of compound, the components elements must undergo chemical changes. The properties of the compound are different from the elements from which it is formed. For example, water H2O is a compound. It is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of hydrogen atoms to oxygen atom in water is always 2:1. Changing this ratio will give a different compound. For example, adding one more oxygen atom gives a ratio of 2:2, and the resulting compound will be hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Formula of compound. A compound is always represented by a chemical formula. A formula shows the symbols of the elements of which compound is made up and their combining ratio to each other. These are the formulas by water and hydrogen peroxide. So this way, this make of compounds of H2O and H2O3. H2O2. Common name, chemical name and chemical formula. So common name is baking soda, chemical name is sodium bicarbonate, and chemical formula NaHCO3. Bleaching powder, calcium hypochlorite, CaCOClCl. Caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, etc. Then after we will discussing a mixture. So a mixture is made up of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. A mixture may consist of elements, compound, or both. So then the compounds of a mixture is not fixed in ratio. Mixture can be separated by chemical physical methods and continuous substances of the mixture retain their characteristic properties in the mixture. For example, when sugar is dissolved in water, it forms a mixture which is sweet in taste. The sweetness is due to the presence of sugar in water. Thanks for watching, guys.